Do you want to earn $100, $500, or $5,000 per month from your Instagram account? If you are looking for a decent income from your Instagram account, this video is just for you. You don't need to be a huge influencer who has millions of followers. You can start right now with the followers you have. If you are just starting out, check the video in the link or in the description while I'll show you how to start getting followers. What you need right now is a little bit of guidance, and I'm going to help you with that. I will show you how to start affiliate marketing using Instagram and share numerous tips to do well on this platform. So let's begin. At first, you need to know the ways you are going to earn. There are 5 strategies to earn on Instagram. First, become an affiliate marketer. Second, promote affiliate products via Shoutout. Third, sell physical products with shopping on Instagram. Fourth, make money through photographs and digital images. And lastly, display sponsored posts on your Instagram page. Let's talk about the first one, become an affiliate marketer. If you are a beginner, you might want to check my other videos about affiliate marketing. I'll drop the link on the video and in the description. So how are you going to promote affiliate products on Instagram? You can do this in 5 ways. First, Instagram bio. You need to go to settings. There you can display the affiliate link of the product that you are promoting. That will go to Instagram bio. You can add relevant emojis like a plane or an island emoji if you are working on a traveling niche. Don't forget to add a call to action asking people to check the link. Second, text overlay. What you will do here is write your affiliate link on images. Your audience will know where to buy the product or offer shown. Keep in mind that affiliate links can be long and ugly. So use bit.ly or any other link shortener to shorten the links and make them look prettier. Third, coupons. Sometimes you will see that some programs will offer you a coupon instead of an affiliate link. Display that coupon as a text overlay on your images. Fourth, image descriptions. Use the image description for each image you display by including your affiliate link or affiliate coupon. Add a call to action and you are done. Lastly, pay to promote post. When you promote a post on Instagram, you can add a link to your post. Then users can click through directly to the affiliate product page. Now, I will share some tips for promoting affiliate products, so pay attention. Make sure your images stand out from the crowd and grab the viewer's attention. Don't just show the product, show how it's being used or what it can do. Get your audience excited about the product you're promoting. Instagram offers a range of image formats, from single images to carousel posts and videos. Take advantage of all these options. More interesting posts will bring more followers. Live video is an extremely effective way to connect and build relationship with your followers. You can talk about your affiliate products, show how to use them, or have them on display in the background. Don't be too promotional. People don't like it and they won't stick around with you for long. The more natural your advertising is, the better. Use some appropriate hashtags in the description of every image and video you post. Hashtags help you reach a new audience and increase the possibility of sales. If you are new to affiliate marketing, don't hesitate. Just start with 1 or 2 products. You will become confident with time. So, did you like this video so far? Hit the like button and subscribe, and hit the notification bell button to get notified every time we upload a new video. Let's talk about the second strategy, promoting affiliate products via shoutouts. So, what exactly is a shoutout? You obviously have seen these on social media. Let's say you follow a gaming industry and you know a lot of top gamers. You have probably seen in their video or in their posts that they are reviewing other gaming console or keyboard and other tools and saying that they bought this from that company and they are good and you should buy it too. This is called a shout out. It's very popular on Instagram. So what you will do is you will create a post with an image that features an affiliate product with the affiliate link added as a text overlay overlay or in the description, then you contact an influencer and ask him to give you a shout out. He will then post it from his account to his audience. The audience will see it. If they find this post interesting, they will click on the link. But now you may be wondering, what if I don't know any influencers? Don't worry, there are a bunch of marketplaces where you can meet and make deals with influencers. I will suggest 3 marketplaces that work for me. Buy, sell, shoutouts. Influencers are organized by niche, so you can quickly and easily find and choose the influencer. Plug hype. You will have more than 25 categories to choose from. This will give you a wide range of options. Shoutcard. You can scale your campaigns and track your shoutout metrics with the Shoutcard marketplace. Now, the most important part. How are you going to choose an influencer? You need to keep an eye on 2 key points. Number 1, niche. Choose an influencer who is relevant to your niche. Your goal is to promote your affiliate product and generate sales. So you need to find an influencer with an audience that is interested in buying that product. Second, engagement. Don't be fooled with high follower numbers. Look at influencers' posts to see how high their engagement is. Engagement means like, comments, and shares. People may have a high number of followers but have less engagement. This means most of their followers skip their posts or don't feel the urge to engage with them. Avoid this kind of influencer. Now we will talk about the third strategy: selling physical products with shopping on Instagram. Shopping on Instagram is available in more than 45 countries and counting. You will be able to access it if you have an Instagram business account. But first, you will need to have your account unlocked for shopping. Why shopping on Instagram is a game-changing feature? E-commerce owners always have thousands of followers on Instagram, but they got to use only one link in their Instagram bio. So it was quite difficult to convert those followers into visitors and sales on their website. Now you can have a direct link to the product page on Etsy, Amazon, an online store, or anywhere else. This makes it easy for users to immediately buy something that caught their eyes. And it makes it much easier for e-commerce stores to drive traffic and sales through their Instagram posts. So how will you set up a shop on Instagram? Step 1, create a Facebook catalog. Step 2, add shoppable tags to your Instagram posts. There are a few things you should keep in mind. You can tag products in both existing and new posts. Make sure each tag touches the new product in an image so shoppers know which product that tag refers to. Create at least 9 shopping posts to activate the store tab for your audience. Try to use different shopping formats, a single post or a carousel to keep it interesting. Make sure your website is mobile friendly for shopping because most of your traffic will come from Instagram app. Use Instagram Insights to track engagement and click-through data for each of your posts. Let's talk about the fourth strategy: making money through photographs and digital images. If you sell your images as prints through an online store, you can use Instagram to promote your work. That's how you will be able to send visitors to your website. How are you going to do that? Include URLs leading to your online store in your Instagram bio, in image descriptions. Include the URL as text overlays on images. Display call to action and let users know that your photos are for sale as prints through your online store. Use hashtags so expose your images to a new audience. Pay to promote your posts on Instagram to reach new potential customers and include a direct link from your promoted post to your online store. Follow these steps and you are ready to start. Now let's talk about the fifth strategy: displaying sponsored posts on your Instagram page. So to be honest, this strategy is a bit lengthy. You need to be patient and work very hard, little hard, to be an influencer. But think about the brighter side. You will be able to create an audience. You can share your affiliate links with them or anything else with them, and they will buy from you. Or people are going to pay you for promoting their posts and their products. Let's say you are a food reviewer. Restaurants and catering services will pay you for reviewing their services and products to your audience. Sounds interesting, right? So let's talk about how you will do that. First, choose a niche. Choose a niche that is relevant to your lifestyle. Post products, post pictures, and engage with your viewers. That's how you will be able to build your audience around that topic. This will make you a valuable influencer for businesses in your specific industry. When companies are looking for influencers to promote their products, they want someone who has a following of people in their niches. So you need to choose a niche that defines you. Some niches are doing really well on Instagram. Fashion, health, fitness, travel, and cooking are some of the most popular niches in recent times. Second, do not buy fake followers. We already talked about this before. Brands are not going to invest in you just by looking at your follower numbers. There are insights that show how many people actually engage with you, and brands will check that. If you don't grow your audience organically, you will not get brand deals because they want to reach an audience and fake followers won't help them. So don't buy fake followers. Third, create an engaged community. An engaged community that comments, likes, and shares your posts is the key to being a successful influencer. To build this kind of community, you need to put in the work. You need to post quality images that interest and inspire your audience constantly. Ask questions, respond to comments. This level of personal interaction will make you more trustworthy to them. And that's all you need. So let's say you have done all of this and managed to get a decent audience. Now what will you do? Promote brands and products that are relevant to your audience and the ones that you genuinely like. If you keep promoting nonsense, your followers will stop engaging with you. It's important to be transparent with sponsored posts so your audience does not feel misled. A short hashtag sponsored will help followers recognize a sponsored post. This is it. We covered the most important strategies that you need to follow to earn money from Instagram. You need to work persistently and be patiently for the result. And let's be real here. You don't need that much extra time for this. Think it this way. You are investing that time you would be scrolling through Instagram as an audience. But how does it feel like to be the person on the other side? It is your time to find out. So did you like this video? Hit the like button and feel free to ask any question in the comment, and don't forget to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And I will see you in the next video.